Under the Questions tab, you can also change the order of the questions by dragging the arrow icon to the left of each question into the desired location. Don't forget to save. You can manually override these grades, add comments, and customize a wide array of settings for each test or quiz. Under the Settings tab of the test or quiz profile, you can adjust the following settings. Instructions. The text you enter here will be accessible while students are taking the test or quiz. Availability. Specify when students have access to take the test or quiz. This is separate from publishing and unpublishing the test or quiz profile. Time limit. Set a time limit for the entire test or quiz. If enabled, individual questions cannot be timed. Attempt limit. Specify a limit to the number of times a student can take the test or quiz. Grade by. If the student can take the test or quiz more than once, set how their grade is calculated. Paging. A quick way to set one question per page. Randomize order. Each student will see the questions in a different order and page breaks will be disabled. Question review. If enabled, students will be able to see an overview page at the end of the test or quiz where they can review their answers before submitting. Resumable. Allows students to resume an incomplete submission, not available for timed tests and quizzes. View submissions. Allows students to view their submissions after they've submitted the test or quiz. Preview allows you to see how the test or quiz will be seen from the student's perspective. Results allows you to view the quiz results by student and by question. And the Comments tab will appear if you've enabled this feature for your students. To take a quiz, the student just needs to click Begin Test Quiz. Each test or quiz will vary depending on the instructor and the course. Quizzes may be timed. If so, the timer will appear in the bottom right corner. Each test or quiz appears in the gradebook and is automatically graded unless there are subjective questions like short answer and essay. The student answers the questions appropriately, and when she is ready, she clicks Submit. You also may allow your students to view their submission with the correct answers once they complete the quiz. Ungraded short answer responses will appear as Pending Review.